take a call. For every single call I take, ideally inbound call, what's in front of me? Got the call guide. And what's the difference between a call guide and a call script? What's the difference?
Call guide is more loose, where script is
so
scripted.
The steps on our call guide much more important than the actual words. Okay, if you stay with the steps, you're probably going to have an appointment almost every single time. So I got the call guide in front of me. I used the call guide. And by the way, not to sound like a giant blowhard, but I say that a lot. It's hard not to when you're standing in front of the room and giving examples and stuff. Do you guys know who the Friendship Automotive Group is? Friendship has like 18 stores. We're not set up for it in this room, but I was at Friendship a couple weeks ago, and they said, hey, for 20 minutes during inbound call training, we're just going to have you take all the calls live. And I talked to like 6 or 7 customers. I think I said 6 or 7 appointments. I don't know the inventory. I don't know the product. I don't know the city. But all I had in front of me was just the what? It feels good to know that you don't need to know anything if you just read the call guide and you're going to set an appointment. There's one big rule though, okay? I can say whatever I want to get these customers in, to get these buyers in, as long as I don't want. There's only one big rule. What's the big rule? What can't I do? Good, can't lie, right? Write that down, please. I can say whatever I want as long as I don't what? Got to be 100% honest with everybody.